Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mega Cloud Storage app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mega is a cloud storage app designed to help users securely store, share, and back up their files online. It's available on both iOS and Android and is known for offering end-to-end encrypted storage, meaning only you can access your uploaded content. Mega provides cloud space for photos, videos, documents, and other files, along with syncing across multiple devices. The app's main feature is its strong security. Every file you upload is encrypted with your unique key. Mega also offers a generous amount of free storage compared to many competitors. You can upload files, organize them into folders, share links with permissions, and automatically back up your camera roll. It includes file versioning, chat encryption, and cross-platform access as well. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its privacy-focused design, large free storage tier, and simple interface. Mega's upload speeds, reliability, and syncing work well for storing important files, and its encrypted chat and sharing tools give extra security. However, there are some drawbacks. The free storage may decrease if you don't stay active, and full features, including higher storage limits, require a paid plan. Some users report occasional slow download speeds, and losing your encryption key can result in permanent loss of access to your files. Internet speed and device storage access can also affect performance. In summary, the Mega app may be worth using if you want secure, encrypted cloud storage with generous free space and reliable backup tools. However, if you prefer faster speeds or don't want to manage encryption keys, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.